All right, boys, so we dropped off the Jenny. We're about to get some custom work done. We're about to get a custom bash bar for the diffuser because I'm not rocking with the mess up diffuser anymore, and to get a new one you got to buy a whole entire bumper, so I'm not going that route. But we're dropping it off. About to see you in a couple days, Jenny. All right, boys, so we ended up, this is so random, but we ended up getting some GMRs. I don't know how I just randomly ended up getting them on the marketplace. A guy was he had them up for trades. I'm gonna fix this a bit. He had them up for trades, but I was like, yo, by any chance would you take cash? And then so he couldn't find anyone to trade wheels with them, so he ended up just taking the cash. And then also I just recently got back from my trip, and then so we got the bash bar complete. We're also gonna be showing that once I get to the crib. But that got complete, new wheels complete. Next up, just the wrap. Look, my hand is dirty. Hold on, let me try to show more. You can see in the back. Yeah, I was gonna say we're like all like packed up in here, but but we're heading back to the crib right now, and we'll see how these bad boys look on it. All right, so but the only issue is I do want to go a single exit just because the plate is covering up the bash bar. But I mean, it's not that big of an issue. Like, you can still see the bash bar and everything, but if I were to go single exit, it would just look way cleaner, and like I would be able to put my plate on the left side where, you know, the other tip is supposed to go. But and then also I'm gonna link down below, if you're in Charlotte or like Concord, anywhere in North Carolina area, and you need a custom bash bar made, you can hit up my boy Exclusive Eddie. He'll get you right. I think I paid $660 for the bash bar plus fender rolling on the front fenders, because the rear wouldn't they're not able to be rolled, but it's all good. As long as the front got rolled out, we're all good. Not only that, different wheel setup, so it's gonna look cleaner, plus it's gonna the car's just gonna sit right now. And then also, I'm waiting for my appointment to come up for the wrap job. I still haven't showed the wrap just yet, but everyone commented about the orange, but I went with a different color, and it's a hard color. And then also another issue that I just started having with the Jenny is my speed sensor is going out. I'm pretty sure it is my speed sensor, just because my traction light isn't like on fully, but it flashes every time. Like, it flashes on and off, on and off. And especially yesterday when I was driving, it was like, it wasn't raining anymore, but it was just like, it rained out. So basically, when I was driving the entire like 20-30 minute drive or whatever, press on the gas, like just casual and everything, boom, traction light pops on. And then pretty sure all Jenny owners know this too, how with the Jennys, if your traction light pops up, the whole pedal just cuts out. Like, you have to let go and then press again. But it was like, I would press on it, traction light will come on, I let go of the pedal, and then once it goes away, I press on it again, and then just on and off, on and off, on and off. And it's a real pain in the ass, just because, like, if you know, you know. But yeah, we're also gonna figure that out while we're swapping the wheels out. We'll see if it's fucked, whatever, but it's not gonna be too big of like a fix. It's a pretty easy fix. It's just a pain to have to deal with that. Also, I ordered me thinking I ordered a custom steering wheel off of Alibaba, because I know how like you can order the carbon like hood, carbon fenders and all that, carbon truck, all that shit. I ordered me thinking I'm gonna get a whole steering wheel, and
tell me the price.
It's so I mean, it was $15, so it's not even that bad, but like, it wasn't even a steering wheel, it was just the stitching thing for it. So literally, like, I would have to do all that, like the stitching stuff and all that work, like on my own, whatever. But it's like, I'm not even gonna go out of my way to do all that. I'm just gonna try to keep on searching for aftermarket steering wheel, because for some reason for the BK1s I just can't find one. I'm not sure why, but I'm gonna just keep looking, and then if I do come across one, copping that motherfucker. All right, boys, so we're back at the crib. Now we're washing up the wheels. My boy Corey. Oh yeah, them babies looking nice. Yeah. Let me show y'all a better perspective. We're getting all the inner barrels cleaned up. After this, well, once I take it into the detailer, I'm gonna get it ceramic coated. But these boys looking real clean. Yeah. Oh yeah, scrub that motherfucker, Dula. Scrub that motherfucker.
Got me working.
Man, it's got me working. Yeah. Oh, and let me show the bash bar now. Baby Jenny. As y'all can see, the rap is getting worse and worse. But fucking fat piece of bird shit, but it's all good. And then that's how the rear bash bar looks now. But as I was saying earlier, I do want to get rid of the quad tips and then get single exit and then just put the plate on the left side just so it could fully show the bash bar. That thing is looking real clean. And then once I throw these GMRs on, oh my god. All right, boys, so it is nighttime. Don't worry, this didn't take us long or anything. It's Ramadan, so we went to go eat, and also like before we were cleaning the wheels, all that shit, whatever. And then some of the boys pulled up. We're chit-chatting, kicking it up. And then so right now, took off the wheels. We're throwing my wheels on my brother's. I'm just throwing a deal for him. Lucky, you're lucky I love you, little bro. So basically, as you can see, I also need to check out and see which one of my sensors is going out because yeah, that's not it. And then hold on, I can show the car because, well, yeah, clean boys, clean. There is a couple of like dirtiness, and I feel like this like causes from the sun, but I'm gonna get them ceramic coated soon and try to get them like as clean as possible, like close to like basically being refreshing, brand new. But boy, oh boy, that motherfucker looks clean. I kind of do gotta work on the fitment a little bit because but it's like, yeah, I could literally just drop in the back, honestly, but I don't know. I'm gonna just decide that once it comes to the rewrap part. But just look at how clean they look. I'm not gonna lie, they kind of look like little, like, or actually, yeah, they look a little weird just because I have the car jacked up now realizing. But it actually, like, basically, I don't even think I have to like work with the suspension because it is the exact same size as my old ones. You can see my brother's G. Let me see. My brother G37 sedan. And then yeah, I'm gonna show after. But just look how clean. I just can't get over it. This kind of has nothing to do with the video, but like, all right, just look how clean. But then like, all right, so when you live in a shitty ass HOA area, just know you're gonna be dealing with motherfuckers like this. Like bro's watering his grass at nighttime just randomly. But the amount of times we got complaints from HOA, them trying to say, oh, we have a car business at the house, this and that, but we're just working on our personal cars. And like, they just like false claim towards us and everything. But I don't know, HOA hates us, but we're standing our ground. We ain't going nowhere. All right, boys, we just got the other side on. Dropping more low, bro. Ooh. That motherfucker looks good. Well, I do kind of like I'm gonna get some like suspension work and like camber the front out a bit, and, like do big Seth's things, but but hold up. That motherfucker looks so good. And then once I get the rewrap, it's over, bro. It's over. Well, not like it's over like with the car shit. Wide bodied, upgraded BK2 engine and trans, and then upgrade turbo kit coming after. Stay tuned. But then do my add-ons on my Dula's wheels. You lucky fuck. I love you, bro. Look at, bro. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, your car needed this, bro. His car needed this. This is kind of like somewhat of like a not install video, but like showing all the newly parts we just got. All right, boys. So I recorded a whole entire part, but there was people being loud and stuff at the other gas station. So I had to come across the street to the other gas station, but we're recording all of this for y'all boys. But just look how amazing this thing looks now. Oh my god. Yeah, these wheels were just meant for this car. And then, so like fitment wise, I'm not gonna lie, it's not really the best. And I don't, oh damn, I think I know now why it's really rubbing. My fender liner is like yeah, well, it's like not tucked in on the fender, but we'll get that fixed and get it down. But it's how the look goes. Bro, me and Mola and my brother were just out the entire day just getting this thing like cleaned up and all of that, and just chilling and all that. But this thing turned out amazing. And then this is how it looks from the rear. And then also, as y'all can see, bash bar, that thing looks amazing. But like I said, I still want to go single exit so I can just put the plate right there, and then bash bar will completely show. And then now, ever since I changed the wheels, I can't fucking speak. Changed the wheels now, scraping under. It's like, I'm pretty sure I'm scraping my downpipe because that's where exactly it feels like. And look at the massive bird shit on my car. Good luck. But yeah, this thing, it needed it. It needed new wheels bad. Well, not hitting on my old wheels. My add-ons, they were amazing and fucking hard-ass wheels, and I gave them to my brother for a good price, even though I could have sold them for way more, but I just love the dude, you know. Molo, you next, bro. But this thing turned out amazing. And then also, new wrap coming soon. I still haven't showed the wrap yet, but I want to show it inside the video where I'm getting the new wrap done. Just because I'd rather just make it all in one video, one part, whatever. And then, because if I just show you guys now, that's just going to tease. And you know how it is. I'm not trying to make y'all boys wait. But damn, this thing was definitely worth it. All right, boys. And then, just look behind me, a whole bunch of cops. I feel protected. Because literally at the other gas station, there was just people, they parked next to us, whatever, just out of nowhere, and they see me recording and they just started yelling as soon as I started recording. So it was just like, I don't know, but people are people. It is what it is. But then, so there is more plans that I have for the car. The bill's not coming to an end. Yeah, it feels like it kind of, but it's like new wrap. And then I do plan on getting a body kit, wide body kit, because it's like, why not? That's like, once you're finished with everything, that's what people mainly go. But well, I want to go. And then I also want to get a BK2 engine and transmission, do a manual swap, and then get an upgraded turbo kit, tuned, all that good stuff, and you know, show car, fast car, whatever it could be. And here's a couple more shots for y'all. This thing just looks 10 out of 10, man. I had my red lights on so it can kind of go with the wheels, but the thing is, it's illegal, so like I'm not doing anything. I'm not risking any type of trouble, any problems, nothing. But this thing just looks amazing. Yeah, I can't wait to get the new wrap. And then also another thing, so it kind of looks like my ducktail is already on my trunk, but it's not. You already know. But my car's just hella dirty. I haven't cleaned it since fucking, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be honest, it's been a month, like probably like 2 months or a month. But it's really just because I'm like, oh, I'm about to get a new wrap, so like, do I really gotta wash it? But it's just like, I still need to wash it, even though, because I'm pushing the wrap later and later. But I'm trying to get it as soon as possible. I'm just waiting on my my guy Lou. If y'all need any wraps done in the Charlotte, Concord, anywhere in North Carolina area, my boy Rap Culture will get you right. All right, boys, so literally both of our phones died. So first my phone had died, and then his phone had died right after.
My messages aren't even popping up. What?
This shit's so stupid, bro. But, and then not only that, we want to buy slushies, and I forgot my wallet. I'm not trying to say that out loud, because my ID and shit, you know, like, I don't know. I don't deal with cops. I don't want to know issues, nothing. Nothing. Like, I'm not in that. But, yeah, boys, if y'all stay tuned this long, y'all already know there's more to come. Damn, my fucking nose leaking. It's cold out. But there's hella more to come to the Jenny. I got a lot more planned. I know I'm kind of taking a bit long on uploading. I'm just busy all the time. I work a lot. And I just recently came back from a trip from Hawaii. But, you know, we're gonna get shit right, man. And then update on the M3. That's inside of the shop right now. Getting his PPF, retint, ceramic coating the whole entire car, and then ceramic coating the wheels. So that baby's getting right soon. I'm also gonna make a video on that. My M3 boys, my Beamer boys, and my Jenny boys. I hope I can get y'all like together, cool with each other. But yeah, boys, if you stay tuned for this long, we'll stay tuned for longer. There's more coming.